What's going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? It's Dad here from Dad Simply Cooking. And I got one question. When you're at home and you're making pizza, what pan are you using? So today we're going to go pan v pan because I did get a new pan. I got the one with the holes in the bottom. What is going to make the better pizza? Pan v pan. I do have an Amazon storefront. I will have both of these pans in that storefront. Let's find out what pizza makes a better pan. So, pan v pan, everybody obviously has their preference, but how can we get a crispy crust that's going to hold the flop and still great texture, flavor, everything else? This has been my favorite go-to pan. I seen this today. It's aerodynamic, and it says it makes a crispy crust. So, I want to see if here lately I've been doing the school pan pizza. What kind of pizza can we achieve by using this aluminum aerodynamic whatever pan and get a good crispy crisp? Get a good crispy crust. I'm dyslexic, so forgive me. Got 2 cups of water. I'm going to go ahead and heat that up and get it ready for my yeast. Our water is warm. I'm going to pour my water on in. I'm going to do 4 teaspoons and a half of our yeast. Yeah, I picked up the new pan today at Walmart. I saw it there and I was like, you know what? I want a good crispy crust. And I do enjoy a good crispy crust. I don't know what to call it. Anyways, so we mix that in. I got to refill my sugar today. I did get some more sugar because I was out. I'm going to sprinkle some sugar. Not too much. That sugar is going to let the yeast feed, okay? So that yeast, we're waking it up with the warm water. By adding the sugar in, you're feeding that yeast. So just, you can grab a spoon if you want and just kind of like mix it in. Set your timer. Hey Siri, set timer for 10 minutes. So we have our timer set for 10 minutes. And our goal for this is we wanted to get frothy, okay? You wanted to get kind of like if you ever got a cappuccino, that foam, you wanted to get frothy. Some bread flour here today. I'm going to be using bread flour today instead of all-purpose. It doesn't matter. You can use all-purpose. Majority of the time, every time I've made pizza, I've always used all-purpose. But today, I wanted to make pizza with bread flour. I've made pizza before, maybe once or twice with bread flour, and it really enhanced it, and I really enjoyed it. But you can use all-purpose. I'm not sure the difference, but they also have cake flour. They have a bunch of different flours. So it doesn't really, it's your choice. If you have bread flour, if you don't, that's fine. If you just have all-purpose flour, have at it, okay? And for this, we're going to be using 5 cups of bread flour because we're making a double batch. This is going to be making a double batch. Now, for a long time, we had the Pioneer Woman Pizza Pan. It's had some miles on it, and this was fantastic. It will get it crispy, and it cooks fast, okay? So this is a contender, and if we're going for crispy status, we should probably compare this and this. Let's compare crispy to crispy. So as you can see, bring this a little closer to y'all. It's getting a little milky. You see in there? A little milky, a little frothy. You can kind of see that foam building up. That's what we want. We want it to get foamy, frothy. So if you don't get that frothy top, where it's like, hey, look at me, and you can tell a clear definition, because you can see the definition points right there. If you can't see that, your yeast has not activated. So stop now and restart. Either your water might have been too warm or not warm enough. You want to aim for about 90 to 100 degrees, somewhere in that ball frame. I put my water in the microwave for about a minute and just warm enough where you dip your finger in, you're like, wow, that's warm. Because if you do try to use this, your yeast will not rise or your dough will not rise, and you want it to rise. And I've made this error countless times, so y'all don't have to. So, it says we got about 3 minutes left, but that's fine. We're going to go ahead and do it now. And we're just going to do 5 cups of flour and 5. So now I do want to put a little bit of salt in here. Okay, so I'm going to lock it in. Go ahead and just start mixing. Now with the water, the flour ratio, you might have to play around a little bit depending on the weather, your elevation. There's multiple different factors that play effect. Set my dough down. It's looking rather nice, rather beautiful. Cut it in half. And now we're going to really start kneading it, okay? I fold it, pull it out, and tuck it in. Now I'm going to spray my bowls down. I'm going to put this in. Some more plastic. And we're just going to put this on the top, and we're going to let it sit and let it grow. Once it doubles inside, we'll be back. Perfect. Perfect. Doubled. Good. Mozzarella. All right, first pan is up. Spray it on down of that dough. I'm going to put a little bit of oregano. Now I got some sweet Italian sausage here. You can use mild. You don't have to use sausage if you don't want to. It's up to you. Now let's grab some of my cheese. Grab a little bit of mixed cheese. Our pepperonis. I did buy some special pepperonis just for today's video. Into your oven.
That's not like a flour pizza.
All right, so now we just gotta cook them, and we'll see who wins, crispy or pizza. I'm not sure if it will live up to its name though. Just filling the bread already. Our oven was at 425 degrees. Stay in the oven for a good solid 20 minutes. The crust is good, it's solid, but it's not like there's a little bit of flop to it. But I do like the way the crust feels and the overall texture of it feels light, feels airy, it feels fluffy. Can't see in the middle. It's good crust. The oven. I ain't gonna lie. If we're judging off the crispiness, I think the Pioneer Woman pan is gonna win. I just felt the bottom of it and it's feeling crispy. But we do have our unofficial taste testers that will be judging and deciding which pizza is indeed crispier. So now we will know. This is a Pioneer. This is the Crispy from Walmart. So once these cool down, I will make Jeri come taste test these and see which one is her preferred favorite. So she doesn't know what pan came from which. She just knows there's two different slices of pizza in front of her hands. So which ones do you like? Which one is better?
That one better. I like this one better. The crust is just thinner and a little bit more crispier.
This $14 pan from Walmart that says it's the crispy pan, or I'm not sure how much the Pioneer Woman is. Do you want to buy it and definitely get that crispier? Because this is the one that won. The Pioneer Woman pan took the reign over the new pan that we just got. So what's that tell you? Sometimes just use what you got at the house and you save $14. Thank y'all so much. We now know what pan wins. This pan, if it's for you, check it out. It's at Walmart. It's a Pioneer Woman pan. I love you. Thank you so much. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Check out Jeri's YouTube channel in the description below. Make sure you go over there, comment, and say hi for me. I love you. Peace.